Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video into your Zoho website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video into your Zoho website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that having a video about your product can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Sites account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Zoho Sites, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, you're going to see all the different websites that you have in the Zoho website builder. You can see I just have this one. So first you need to choose the website you're going to be working in. So for me, this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to click on the edit site button here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be in the Zoho website builder or editor. And next you want to go ahead and choose the page that you want to add the video onto. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, Best Tacos. Okay, guys. So now in order to add a video into this specific page, what you're going to do is click on this blue button here on the top left. Looks like a plus icon, and you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to choose this one here called Element. Right, once you do that, you're going to see all these options, but scroll all the way to the bottom until you see video. And all you're going to do is just grab this little icon and you're going to drag it over. So as you can see, there's a blue line that appears. So wherever that blue line is, that is where your video is going to show up. So for me, I'm going to put it right here above these guys. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add a video. So the video is not going to be hosted in your Zoho account. It has to be hosted either on YouTube or Vimeo. So you can choose right here, Vimeo or YouTube. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use YouTube. And all you're going to do, search for a video that you want to use. So for example, let's go ahead and search tacos, and it's going to search YouTube and then pull up various videos. Now, if you want one specific video, you're going to click here, embed video. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and get the embed code. So let me go ahead and go over here to you. Okay, so here are a lot of taco recipes. So I'm going to click here and go to how to make beef tacos. Okay, all you're going to do now is you're going to go down here and click on the share button. And once you click on share, you're going to get a lot of different options, but you want to click on embed right here. Okay, so here is the embed code. So we're going to copy this. Okay, now we're done here, and we're going to go back here to our Zoho website builder, and then we're going to go ahead and paste in the code there and add. Okay, once we click on add, you can see the YouTube video right here. So you can see this little edit button here, so we can kind of adjust this a little bit. So let's go ahead and move it to the center, because that looks a little weird when it's off to the left. And then we can also increase the size if we want. So let's go ahead and maybe jump this up to 100 and maybe increase this one to 400. Okay, so that looks much better. So now when someone is on this page, they're going to see this video. So it's going to be basically the same process with Vimeo. You're not quite finished adding the video into your Zoho website builder until you've clicked on publish. Okay, quick second later, it says changes have been published. So we can click on the website, and then we go over to that specific page. And there you have it. You have a video on your Zoho website builder. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video into your Zoho website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.